Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1977 Chevrolet Suburban. Even though it has Silverado badges, this is a Suburban. Look at this thing. It's got a 454 under the hood. That don't mean it's fast, because it ain't. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are all tape decks that I've never used before in my life until now. Oh, this is so freaking perfect. Good God, the license plate is a long boy, and it works because this thing is like 14 football fields long. Oh, this is such a cool thing. Here's the best part. We got Dolly Parton to this thing. All right. There we go. That sounds like it's somewhat closed. No backup camera, which is kind of odd. You got an entire forest here. I love it. Let's go for a drive. No airbags. We die like real men. This is just something that I would want to cruise around in all day long. The throttle pedal, it's something. It is heavier. Well, it's heavier than the car. It takes a lot of effort to actually push that thing down, but that's probably just due to the fact it's a cable throttle compared to every other car I've driven. I was born in '99, okay? I wasn't around when this thing was new. So I've not driven a lot of these classic cars. Well, no, I've driven a couple carbureted things, but I could probably count on my hands how many things I've driven with a carburetor. Might have to include a tow or two, but it's not a lot. God, this thing is like driving a lazy boy sofa. And you know what? There's a reason why Americans love lazy boy sofas. It's because they used to drive them back in the 70s. God, I could just have my arm on the back of this bench seat and oh, I'd be so happy. Steering feel. Well, that's your play. So, oh, that's my turn. Brakes! Oh, please tell me I got a gap. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy. Throttle pedal, come on. There we go. I have no idea if that speedometer is accurate. I don't really care. Steering. Well, it's about as precise as the steering on a boat. Again, I don't care. This is just cool, and it's got that patina look to it. Oh, I'm so happy. I am not going to try to go over that possum. That thing's really doing a good job of playing dead. so happy right now. God, this is probably bringing back a lot of memories for you guys, because I can imagine in '77 a whole family going out to the ice cream shop or maybe the seafood shack on a Friday night, listening to Dolly Parton on the 8-track. This is just reminiscent. You know, this is the perfect area to drive it, and you're in farm country. This just is so reminiscent of an era that is so long gone. And there's so many memories and the stories this truck could tell. Oh. What a cool ride. I'm pretty sure that odometer says it has... Oh, wait, no, that's back when they didn't have 100,000 mile odometers. I was like, there is no way that this thing has 429,000 miles on it. Man, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.